Ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Castor. Break quickly at the start. Ain't Misbehaving. Tagumpay. Empire Queen. Zaria Zai. Dragon Sita comes next. Joy. While Watulko is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Castor. Tagumpay running by the rail is Joy. Ain't Misbehaving comes next. Then followed by Empire Queen. Watulko second less, while Dragon Sita now racing in less, half mile distance they traveled. We have Tagumpay now takes command. Castor is running by the rail. Ain't Misbehaving. Empire Queen is on the outside, 2 lengths for the back. In third comes Joy Watulko, while Dragon Sita is still running at the tail of the field. Out of the fourth turn, Tagumpay Ain't Misbehaving is on the outside. Then comes Empire Queen running by the rail. Castor. Then next on line now is Dragon Sita, Watulko, while Joy now running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. Tagumpay, Castor is on the outside. Then comes Ain't Misbehaving, Empire Queen, Watulko, Dragon Sita in the middle portion. Last 100 meters, we have Tagumpay, Castor is on the outside. Ain't Misbehaving. We have Tagumpay, Ain't Misbehaving, and finally Ain't Misbehaving. Tagumpay, then comes Castor.
4-3-2-7. Kala ko yung Tagumpay ang mananalo kasi kanina masaganang